Hey, welcome back to the channel, CGR. Well, today we are going to be doing a quick review on a Cal Custom Chevy Bowtie review mirror. Basically, they offer this mirror in polished, which is their chrome, and you will also have it in like a polished gold. I went with the polished chrome because the vehicle has more chrome on it. The interior and exterior trim pieces are more chrome, so it will match the vehicle much more. Now, this one I ordered off of eBay, but as you could see, the website, they are based out of Australia. Now, the funny thing about this is that when I first was going to order this, there are different companies that make this, but this one just kept coming up on Google saying they are the best one. They are the original one making this style mirror. So it's basically a rear view mirror that is and looks like the Chevy Bowtie. So let's take it out the package real quick. Now, what is this gonna go on? This will be installed on a 79 Malibu Landau. So once I open the package, I have all the pieces out here. So let's see what we have here. All right, so like I said, it does come from Australia. It did take a while to get here. It actually took about 2 to 3 weeks because it does come through customs and everything. And there are other ones out of like US locations, but they are not the same company right here. And I was seeing and reading people's reviews on the ones based off the US, and they had a lot of negative reviews, and I was like, if I'm gonna spend the money, I'd rather order it from the original people that started this. So first here we have our base. You can see nice polished, and it has a lot of weight. It is heavy. It does have a lot of weight to it. And here we have the bow tie. So as you can see that that's where it's going to end up being screwed on right here. And it does come with the base if your vehicle didn't have like a rear view mirror, which mine has it already. So hopefully it's just like I can unscrew, I could just unscrew. Here I did see it had this little blemish here, but it looks like it was from the wrapping, and as you can see when I'm scratching it, it comes off. So it looks like it was just stuck from the wrapping. It's already coming off. So I just gotta clean that before I put it on. And perfect bow tie mirror. Got some good weight to it. I think it's gonna look great on the car. So this is how the outside will look when you're looking through it. The inside, I honestly think it's gonna look great. It's gonna give that car a little touch, a little extra touch to it. As you can tell in the old schools, it's all about the details. It's all about the little things. You have your instructions. Again, it is giving you instructions as if like it did not have a rear view mirror at all. And it's telling you what to buy to make sure it sticks to the windshield. But like I said, on my 79 Malibu, I already do have the mirror. So it looks like I will just be taking this screw off from the other mirror, sliding it off, and this should be a straight slide on, hopefully. Because it looks like the base is the same out of any other mirror. So hopefully that's what we run into, and it'll be a quick, easy install. Price wise, I think I ended up paying, I think the mirror was about $80, but shipping was $15. So close to $100, but well worth it. I think it's gonna look great. It's gonna look better. So if you want to see a video of me installing it on my 79 Malibu, please check it out. I will try to have a link to this one. And I did buy this off eBay, but as you can see, they got their website on here as well. I did not order it off their website. I got it straight from their eBay store. So it was directly from Cal Customs eBay store for them. And here is the model, Cal-4004. Now they do, like I said, they do offer it in polished chrome or polished gold. And I don't think I saw it in bronze. I did not see it in bronze, but those are the only ones I saw at the moment. The polished chrome and a polished gold. So it should fit any old school out there. It does not have a limit on age or what year it fits, because it is pretty much universal. So hope you like it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Check out the video of me installing this on the 79 Malibu. And with that being said, I will catch you guys on the next one.